The question is, form the PDE from phi of x plus y plus z, comma x square minus y square minus z square equal to 0. This is the given question now. So given question, take it as it is. So for this you have to consider as, let the first what we have, this x plus y plus z will consider as u is equal to x plus y plus z, and this second variable will consider as here v is equal to x square minus y square minus z square. So therefore, so u is the first term here, means first function, and v is second function. Therefore it becomes what here, phi of u comma v equal to 0. So this is what we got in the steps we have seen, do phi of u comma v equal to 0. If such is there, how we have to simplify, we have to check now. So this equation, the given question you give as equation number 1, or else will give later otherwise. So I will give equation number 1. So as we know that, so differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y by applying chain rule. Now, so we know the partial derivative of uv with respect to x and y by applying chain rule. We got the result number 6. So remember this result and write it directly as, it is dou u by dou x whole divided by dou u by dou y is equal to, division line, dou v by dou x upon dou v by dou y. So we'll use this result directly to prove the result now. Now you find the value of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y from this u value and v value. So now I will rewrite that value of u. U is equal to x plus y plus z, and v value is x square minus y square minus z square. So we'll find dou u by dou x, but remember here only x and y are variable, z is a function. Here also x and y are variable, z is a function. So while differentiating with respect to x u, it will be, so differentiate this with respect to, so what happens here, it will become dou u by dou x is equal to 1, partial derivative of x is 1, plus y with respect to x partial is 0, plus dou z with respect to x, because z is function, you have to write dou z by dou x. Similarly, when you go for v partially with respect to x, it will become dou v by dou x is equal to, x square will become 2x, y square will become 0, because partial derivative we are doing, it is 0, but z is a function, it will become 2z into dou z upon dou x. So therefore dou u by dou x result is 1, plus dou z by dou x is nothing but p according to the notation, and dou v upon dou x is equal to, so here 2 times, so take 2 common, it will be x minus z, dou z by dou x is again what here, p. So this is the value of dou v by dou x. So we got the value of dou u by dou x, and we got the value of dou v by dou x. We need to find dou v by dou y and dou u by dou u by dou y and dou v by dou y using again this, means you have to differentiate u and v partially with respect to y now. Okay. So therefore it will become dou u by dou y is equal to, So x is 0 with respect to y is 1, and z is dou z by dou y, and next one dou v by dou y is equal to x square will be 0 minus y square with respect to y is what here 2y minus z square will be 2z into dou z upon dou y. So therefore it will be dou u upon dou y is equal to 1 plus z, dou z by dou y is q, and dou v by dou y is equal to minus and 2 you take common, minus and 2 you take common, it is y plus z into dou z by dou y is q. So these are the two results, we got it, and now we need to apply in the formula. So therefore do equation number 2 for this. Means this is our equation number 2, what formula we got. So in this we need to apply now. Equation 2 becomes the value of dou u by dou x is what here 1 plus p. Plus p divided by dou u by dou y is 1 plus q is equal to dou v by dou x, we got how much here, it is 2 times x minus zp, and dou v by dou y will be 2 times y minus zp. Now on simplification you cross multiply the brackets, 1 plus p into 2 times y minus zq, this is zq, is equal to 1 plus q into 2 times x minus zp. Now this 2 and 2 cancels, open the bracket, 1 into y is y, 1 into minus times zq is minus times zq, plus into plus is plus, p into y is py, plus into minus is minus, p into zq is what here, p q z. Right hand side simplification, 1 into x is x, 1 into minus zp is minus zp, plus into plus is plus, q into x is qx, plus into minus is minus, q into zp is what here, p q z. Now so these two terms is going to be cancelled. So left part I will arrange it, so py, then shift this qx to the left hand side, minus qx minus zq, or minus zp you take first, minus, it will become plus zp, then minus zq equal to x, shift this, it will become minus 1. Okay, so you can keep this one as it is, or you can make a pairs like that, this pair and this pair, and this pair and this pair. So here py and zp, you can take a pair and consider as p common, it will be y plus z, and from these two you take minus sign common and q common, so it will become x plus z is equal to x minus y. You can stop here also, or else you can continue. So this is the required PDE of the given equation.